Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, Friday, April the 5th. Yes, April the 5th, almost weekend, and we have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. We have here 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cyberblock, in Japanese suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve. Wow, why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one is a 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku, let me zoom this in. 3 stars Sudoku number. This will be number 8310. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. Well, this one has 30 printed digits. Well. Should be an easy one. 30 printed digits should be a 0 stars, not the 3 stars. 0 stars, I need to be faster than 40, maybe 30 minutes. But it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. 20 to 30 minutes of solve. To 30 minutes I need to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about interesting. Well, how about you cannot fill those numbers. Yeah, 5, need a 6 here, need a 6 there. 5. Don't wait. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5. Need a 5 here, and I need a 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be here. 5. Okay, that means in this column we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. Well, here can be 5, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. Here can be a 5, we have a 5 in this middle row, no 5 there. And here can be a 5, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. So the 5 in the first column could be here, or there. We see another 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 in the third row, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 in the first column should be there. Alright. 7. Yeah. I need to think. How about need a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. Only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. 7. Oh, no. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row, so in the first row. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7, okay. 7, cannot continue with the 7 now, need to wait. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. And look, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. We have a 4 in that row, no 4 there. Only place left of the 4 should be there. So the 1 and the 3 are left. Okay. Well, Well. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. So, need a 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 6. 3, 4, and a 6. Need a 2 here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Oh, there we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, only 2 places left for the 2. Well, we have a pair here. 2 and a 5 in this row. 2 and a 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this third column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. Oh, I need a 2 here. 5 in this column. Third column. 5 in the first column. So the column between. Second column. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Do we have all the 5s? Let me check. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 5. Alright. 4. So, 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and a 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in the first column, so no 2 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So, the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. Okay. So, you know, 1 here, 1. Okay. Let me think. Well, 1, 3, and I need a 8 here. Well, in this row we need an 8. Here can be an 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. Here can be an 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 in this row should be there. So 2 numbers left now. The 1 and the 3 are missing. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. Alright. 1, 1, 1, 1. Need a 1 here. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8. 9 is missing. 6 and 9. 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the last column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 6 goes there. And we have a pair. The 7 and 9 in this column. The 7 and 9 in the last column. So the column between. Only 2 places left for the 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 9. 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 7 goes there. 1 and a 7. We have a 7 now in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. No 1 goes there. Alright. So 2 numbers, wait, 4 and 6. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left, and the 6 should be here. Or there, we have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 6. Okay. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in this last row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in the last row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and the 2. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. A 1 box left in this column for number 1 and 2. The 3 is missing. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column, so the column in 3 in the second column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 3. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. The 1 in this column, first column, 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in the third row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finished in 12 minutes. Well, told you. Should be a 0 stars. Wrong indication. Wrong indication, publisher. Yeah. Because for 3 stars puzzle, we need only 25 printed digits. This one has 5 printed digits more. So, cannot be a 3 stars. Well, thank you again for watching. And yeah. I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.